Hi guys, Video Game Brawlers here, and today I'm gonna do a unboxing of Mantid and Hail from Bakugan New Generations for Happy Boxing Day. And there's back packaging here, and here. Okay, let's get it open up here before some more fun. Okay, so here it is, two Bakugan battle ledge on the blocks. There's two Bakugan character cards here, and these two new gate cards are here. And run, hail, let's run and roll. Ready? Oh, lift it. Ready? Oh, almost there. Ready? Whoa! So here it is, head, thing, and right here. Here's it. This is Dentist Mantid. Alright. Hail's name. Hail is right along. Ready? Ready? Oop. Oop. Whoa! So here's the leg, form, arm, wings, with dragon. Okay, so this is a Mantid and Hail from Bakugan New Generation 3.0. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Click here to watch the Video Game Brawlers unboxing, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click into the bell. Thanks for watching guys. See you next time everybody. Bye. Bakugan Brawlers!